Let's talk about solar panel waste. Those of you that are new here, I run a fully electric cherry orchard right here in central Otago, New Zealand that runs on 21 electric machines, which are powered almost entirely off the energy I can create myself. By using machines that run off energy that we create ourselves right here on farm, we save around about $50,000 a year in energy costs. It is a remarkable economic slam dunk. It seems a lot of aging white men love to get into my social media comments to talk about all the waste created from these solar panels. So let's go through it. One of these 550 watt solar panels weighs about 22 kilos and it will generate about 740 kilowatt hours worth of power per year. It's a staggering amount of energy. One solar panel will generate the same amount of electricity as around about 340 kilograms of coal, about 130 kilograms worth of natural gas, and about 150 kilograms worth of diesel. What's even more insane is one of these panels will last about 25 to 30 years. It means over its lifetime, this little panel here will generate the same amount of electricity as about 10 tons worth of coal, about 4.4 tons worth of diesel, and about 3.8 tons worth of natural gas. From a materials extraction perspective, solar panels win absolutely hands down over other forms of energy generation. And in New Zealand, where I'm from, a solar panel will generate about 32 times the energy over its lifetime that it takes to make it. Just one container ship load of solar panels coming to New Zealand will create the equivalent energy over its lifetime of around about 50 LNG ships or about 100 coal ships worth of electricity. And running off energy that we can create here locally on farm and in New Zealand is far better than running off energy that we import from overseas. Did you know that 40% of global sea freight is in the transportation of fossil fuels? And of course, the other really inconvenient truth for these old fellas is that solar panels are also highly recyclable material. In fact, in New Zealand, we have a company called Phoenix Middleman Recycling that can recover 98% of the material from these very panels in about 30 years' time when I'm going to need to replace them. And of course, the thing about solar panels is they're actually pretty simple things. We've got some aluminium framing, which is easily recyclable. We've got some glass, which is easily recyclable. We have silicon, which is easily recyclable. And then there's a couple of components in there that are actually incredibly valuable, namely copper and silver. Even if we recycle no solar panels by 2050, which is a ridiculous outcome because of course we are going to do that, it is amazing how little waste is involved compared to what we currently do. Total solar waste by 2050 would be about the same amount of waste as what we generate in coal ash, burning coal, every month globally. Look at the total amount of things mined for energy in 2022. This is just absolutely staggering. About 99.9% of it was fossil fuel extraction from Mother Earth, and about 0.1% of it was extraction for renewable energy. If you're genuinely concerned about the amount of materials we're extracting from Mother Earth, if you're generally concerned about waste, I can assure you these are not the problem, it's fossil fuels.